comes up. Point to where the most pain is.
Let me find it right here.
Right there. Okay. Okay, you can take your
My
finger.
finger.
Yeah, that lines up.
That's what the tensor is.
Yeah, well, you have this area of super irritation. It's like a little triangle right there. Comes to this point in that middle part of your scalp. Okay. Try again. We got to get that scar to go that way.
It hurts. It hurts.
Yeah. So hang on, I'll show you. I think it's the best when I just get everything over your elbow, right? Try again for me. You're pressing harder, so that's...
Hurts very little, not much, but still
Not
hurts.
much. Okay,
Yeah,
so let's work on
better.
getting everything that direction.
Right.
Try again and see how that feels. So try and touch it again.
Touch it. Right, very little, but still.
Just a little bit still?
Yeah.
So let me...
Same.
Same. Okay, so no difference on that one. Now what if I go this direction?
Oh, hurts more.
Oh, hurts more. So we worked that out before. We can't go that way. What if we do all of this that way? Try now. Oh, that's not bad.
No. It take me a little longer to find it.
Yeah,
right here.
right
But
there.
very little.
But I wonder if we were on either side of the scar.
Took me a lot longer to find it.
Yeah, try again for me now.
Very little, right
Very,
here.
very little.
Get better.
Super interesting now. I have to show you right here. We've got this line. So hang on a minute. Let me see if I can take a picture. This line. Okay, so try now.
Very little. Yeah, very little right here. Very little.
Try now.
No?
Might have found it.
Right here. Yeah.
Tiny little
It's
bit,
getting better and
right
better.
on that
Yeah, very
edge.
little, right.
Yeah, because you got this line right there. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can manually free that up. Right.